Hello, everybody. This is Gustavo, exam coach. Today, we continue with our series of videos about essential grammar for the GMAT verbal section. We've seen before the concept of a clause, two types of written English clauses, and examples of the second type, which is actually subordinate clauses in English. Today, we'll introduce types of written English sentences. Let's begin with the first type. The first type is called a simple sentence. The simple sentence is related very closely to the concept of the independent clause. Remember when we said a clause that can stand alone as a complete sentence, that is called an independent clause or a main clause? Actually, a simple sentence in English has just one clause, an independent clause. For example, Mario has a lot of video games. This sentence sounds pretty simple, right? Yeah, you can easily identify the subject, the conjugated verb, and some other words that complement the idea. But simple sentences in English don't need to be as simple as you may think. Let's listen to another example of a simple sentence. Despite his best efforts, Andrew cannot achieve a very high score in the GMAT exam. Okay, now you can see that there is this subject, Andrew, the conjugated verb, cannot achieve, but you see that before Andrew, there is some kind of phrase starting with despite. Yeah, this phrase is called a modifier, but it is not a clause because it doesn't have a subject, it doesn't have a conjugated verb. Still, the sentence is a simple sentence because it has only one independent clause. There are no more clauses in this sentence. Okay, we'll continue with the second type of sentence in the next video. See you next time.